Hey guys, a very good morning and welcome to a new daily market outlook for the 17th of May 2021. As per usual, we're going to be analyzing the DXY alongside some of the major currency pairs. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. To begin with, the DXY. So as we can see on the DXY, since we hit that 90.900 level, which I've been calling for weeks, and rejecting that 618 fib level, we started impulsing beautifully towards the downside. So at the moment, we're situated within this area of liquidity at around 90.300, and we are rejecting from it. So for the moment, I wouldn't be surprised if today we see a small push towards the upside, maybe back towards this area of previous support, which could now act as resistance, create a new lower high, see a third touch of this descending trend line, and then move further towards the downside after this impulse over here on the 4-hour and 1-hour. So I do expect us in the near future to hit this zero level over here at 89.982 and see further downside on the DXY, as I am very bearish on this pair. So yep, that is the DXY for you. Let's head over to our first pair, which is Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar is quite interesting. As we can see at the moment, we faked out on that left shoulder high. However, I am expecting more potential upside. What I want to see at the moment is one more push towards the downside, back towards the 618 preferably, tap into this area of liquidity before seeing another push towards the upside. So I am going to be looking for a nice push back up towards this area of liquidity at around 0.78383. So I'm not bearish yet on Aussie dollar. To be bearish, we need to break and take out all these lows over here at around 0.76800. So that's Aussie dollar. Let's head over to Euro dollar. And as we can see, Euro dollar is currently within this ascending wedge. So I am looking for more upside on Euro dollar. We might see a short minor pullback today during London session, but eventually I do expect us just to drive back up in towards the highs. So what could happen is that we just fake out upon this highest high over here at around 1.21800. So once that 1.21800 level gets hit, I will further evaluate what I'm going to be doing next, because I wouldn't be surprised if we see a fake out on that high, third trendline touch of the upper trendline of the ascending channel, and then see more downside occur from there. However, it all depends on what structure we'll do next. So yep, let's head over to pound dollar. And pound dollar, as we can see, if we just quickly dive into the 1 hour, we can see that we had that nice break retest of this structural level of support and resistance on Friday. So I hope some of you were able to take some longs over there. As we can see, we had some form of an inverse head and shoulders. So at the moment, pound dollar just impulsing back towards the highs as expected. So what I'm waiting for at the moment is for us just to go and move back up towards that zero fib at 1.41600. From there, we'll see if we can break and take out this high to then move further towards the upside, or we're going to see that fake out or even a potential head and shoulders form. So if a head and shoulders were to form, what we would then see is the head a drop back towards the downside, the right shoulder, and then the eventual drop. However, of course, we have to wait until price develops itself further to be able to see what's going to happen. So for at the moment, just waiting for pound dollar to impulse further towards the upside. Only situation in which I would be looking for shorts is if we potentially take out this low, and then I would trade pound dollar back towards the trend line over here to make that break retest confirmation. So yep, that's pound dollar. Let's head over to Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar, as we can see, is also just like Euro dollar and pound dollar, moving towards the upside at the moment. Wouldn't be surprised if Kiwi dollar were to push a little lower. I would preferably see it go back down towards the 618, as there is liquidity situated over there, to then take along back in towards the highs, either break this high or see a fake out on the high, third trendline touch of the upper trendline of this ascending channel, to then see a further drop towards the downside occur. So yep, that is actually everything for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this daily market outlook. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you all in tomorrow's Daily Market Outlook. Thanks guys.